A teacher is a candle who spends the whole life lighting up the lives of students. Good morning to one and all. Today I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to start by wishing all dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on the 5th of September every year to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepallradhakrishnan, who was the second President of India and a great scholar. Our teachers play an important role in making our life better and correcting our mistakes. They are the supporting pillars who play an important role in guiding us throughout a student life. They give their best to teach us valuable lessons in life and are our role models whom we look up to. It is said that the future of a particular country lies in the hands of its children. Thus, a teacher has a major role to play in shaping the future of the students and helping us become successful in our respective careers. Teachers' Day is thus celebrated to honor the hardships as well as to acknowledge their special role in our lives. Teachers' Day is full of excitement, activities and special performances that are organized by students, especially for their teachers. Teachers' Day is not only celebrated in India but is also celebrated worldwide to appreciate the power of teaching. Different countries celebrate this day on different dates, but UNESCO officially declared the 5th of October as the World Teachers' Day in 1994. I equally want to thank my parents for being my first mentor and supporting me in each and every step of my life. I thank all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, moral values and discipline. Once again, I wish all dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon.
Also, please like, share and comment.